Jannat is Jannat for everybody. Why some prophets mention, Holy Prophet Muhammad mentioned them, he see them in second heaven, third heaven, fourth heaven, and so and so.
You see, this is grades of Jannah. If Jannat and Jahannam can coexist, why can't the grades in Jannah coexist together? The same question of relativity. You see, sometimes, I can give you an example. Sometimes you are ill and you feel like burning inside, but at the same time you are sick. Ill and sick are two different things. Sickness means you vomit, you feel like vomiting, etc. If anybody gives you beautifully well-cooled grapes, sweet grapes, you can't eat them. And if somebody repeatedly says, please eat, you will feel like killing that person. I have seen children, my daughter sometimes, while they are ill, try to give them something which they think good for them, and they throw them away. Say, please don't do it. So, if you are healthy, it will be for you, Jannah for you. So the same person, and the enjoyment differs from person to person. You can't say you enjoy a thing as much as another person does. His sense of smell, his other sense of taste, etc., glands are so different. So there are many, many grades, uncountable grades, not to be counted. There's numerous grades in Jannah as well as in Jahannam.
Even for prophets.
But,
Even for prophets.
Of course, and the prophets, of course. This was the question. Every prophet is in Jannah, but his Jannah is according to his reach. So the highest Jannah is that of Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You see, Rahman is a supreme property or sifat of Allah Ta'ala. No other sifat of Allah excels Rahmaniyat. And prophethood belongs to Rahmaniyat. You can't ask Allah to make me prophet, please. That's not. Allah knows who is to be made prophet and who is not to be made prophet. And it is mohabbat. It is bestowed upon people without their begging. And in fact, no prophet ever desires to be a prophet. If anybody desires, he will be disowned. And this is a system in our Jamaat elections as well. Anybody who desires to be a office holder, we say you are not able to be office holder. You reject it, because we follow the system of Rahmaniyat. But as far as the Khilafat is concerned, this can't be said that it belongs to Rahimiyat, because the same principle applies to the Khalifa as well. If anybody desires to be a caliph, he will be rejected. And he will be a madman as well, because I know how difficult it is to be a Khalifa. Please. And it's time for Isha prayer now, please. Huh? Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.